Okay, so we are talking about wood seasoning, and in the last class, we said that wood seasoning is the process, the gradual process of removing water from the wood. That's the gradual process of removing the moisture content of the wood. I told you that moisture content can be also called sap, right? So there are two methods of removing water. That is two methods of wood seasoning. The first method is natural or air seasoning. You take the wood outside and you place them, or you stack the planks. You know, it's no longer wood. You stack the planks, then allow air to dry it. So like you can just get a shed on top of it, because to prevent rain from affecting the wood that you are drying. So that's natural or air seasoning. This method is very cheap, but the disadvantage there is that it takes a longer time for the water moisture content to be removed. Then we have the artificial or kiln seasoning, and this is the method of seasoning or drying wood by putting the wood in an oven. So the oven helps to extract the water by evaporation. It helps to extract the water from heat. You know, it's a very hot oven, so it removes the water from it. And this one is very expensive, but it is very fast. So if you want to get your wood at a faster rate, you go for kiln seasoning. But if you don't have enough money for wood seasoning, you can go for the natural or air seasoning. Now, what are the reasons for seasoning wood? Number one reason is we season wood seasoning makes the wood to be more stable. You know that a wood that is always bending is because of the wood moisture content that is there. So that helps to make wood to be more stable. Another reason, it makes the wood lighter in weight. A wood that still contains moisture content will be very heavy. Now, it makes the wood more durable. A wood that has moisture content cannot last long, but the one that has all the moisture content has been removed will last long. Okay, we also have what it makes the wood easier to be painted. Another reason is it makes the wood resistant to decay. We also have what it stops shrinkage of the wood on drying. If you don't remove the water moisture content, it causes shrinkage of the wood. Another reason is that it makes the wood to have better electrical resistance. So these are the reasons for seasoning wood. Now let's look at moisture content. We already know that moisture content is wet weight minus the dry weight. So we represent the wet weight with W and the dry weight with W naught. So our wet weight minus dry weight over wet weight times 100 over 1. So if you want to calculate the percentage moisture content of a wood, the formula we're going to make use of is W minus W naught divided by W times 100 over 1. Let's look at this example. If a sample of wood weighs 80 kg, 80 kg is the wet weight before drying, and 60 kg after drying, W naught 60 kg. Calculate the percentage moisture content of the wood. We just go straight to the formula. Percentage MC equals to W minus W naught over W times 100 over 1. What's W? 80. We input the values 60 and 80. So 80 minus 60 gives us 20 over 80 times 100. So when we cut it 1 year, 4 year, 4 year 1, 425. The percentage moisture content is 25%. That means then, looking at this second example, if the percentage moisture content of the wood is 40%, calculate the dry weight if it weighs 100 kg before drying. 100 kg before drying, that means that's the wet weight. So we're going to write what? The wet weight is 100, the dry weight is, we're looking for this. So we have been given the percentage moisture content, which is 40. We put all our values into the equation, then we do the mathematics. 100 cancels 100, so we have W naught equals to 100 minus 40. W naught equals to 60 kg. So this is how to calculate moisture content. There's nothing so big in it. So going by summary now, you should remember the persistent moisture content is wet weight minus dry weight over wet weight times 100 over 1. See you in the next class.